Welcome to the Insurance Dork channel powered by Customers First Insurance Group. Have you ever wondered why your rates went up, what that coverage actually means, or how to protect your stuff without overpaying? If this sounds like you, you're in the right place. Are you ready to dork out on some insurance? Let's talk about broad collision first, because this is the coverage that most people wish they had after a not-at-fault accident. Broad collision covers your car after a crash involving hitting another vehicle, a pole, a guardrail, or something similar. Here's the big difference between broad and regular collision. If you're not at fault, your deductible is waived. No waiting period, no chasing reimbursement. Now, if you are at fault, you pay your deductible just like standard collision. Because of that added protection, broad collision usually does cost a little more per month, but when it works, it really works well, and you'll be glad you had it. Let's talk about standard collision. Standard collision also covers a vehicle after an accident for all the same things that basic does, but the deductible works differently. With standard collision, you pay your deductible no matter who causes the crash. If you're at fault, you pay it. If someone else is at fault, you pay it. The reason people choose standard collision is pretty simple. It's cheaper up front, there is more out-of-pocket risk later, but in Michigan, they have the limited property damage coverage, also known as mini-tort. The trade-off is fine, as long as you understand it before a claim. Now let's clear up Michigan's mini-tort, because this is where a lot of confusion comes from. Mini-tort allows you to recover up to $3,000 of your deductible from the at-fault driver. That sounds great in theory, but it only works if fault is clear, you're willing to follow up, and the other driver stops. It's not automatic, and it can take time to get reimbursed. With broad collision, you don't need mini-tort because you paid the convenience fee to make it the insurance carrier's problem. With standard collision, mini-tort is how you get reimbursed your deductible via the mini-tort claims process. Or if the driver is uninsured, you may have to seek damages in small claims court. That's why mini-tort is a backup plan and not a replacement of coverage. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the next episode. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. My name's Mike Varicki with Customers First Insurance Group, aka the Insurance Dork. Thanks for watching Insurance Dork, where we make sense of insurance without putting you to sleep.